6:17 on this Sunday morning, which is starting out clear and pretty chilly in most areas. We're in the teens around Colorado Springs right now. 14 at Underwater Connection at I-25 and Garden of the Gods. Looking off past UCCS at a beautiful, mostly clear sky. So bright, sunny start to the day, certainly expected. And that's everywhere along the Front Range. Right now, Walsenburg, we have 18 degrees. Wind is calm, actually, at the Spanish Peaks Veterans Community Living Center. Hasn't been for the last couple of mornings, so nice to see the atmosphere has settled down a little bit. But that's one of the reasons that it's gotten as cool as it is in much of eastern Colorado. Lyman's down to 4 at last check, but most of the rest of eastern Colorado in the teens to around 20. We have some pretty chilly air up across the mountain valleys, too. Gunnison at last check is below 0, as is Alamosa. We're above 0 in Leadville. Salida doing a little better, currently at 20 degrees. But once the sun gets up and starts doing its thing, our temperatures will begin to come around. It'll take a while with the light wind in place, but notice the skycast shows very little cloud cover until maybe late this afternoon over the northern parts of our coverage area. Those aren't going to be significant. So good bit of sunshine, light wind, temperatures near seasonal averages. That's about the extent of what we have to talk about for today. 40s to around 50 at lower elevations, generally going to be in the 30s over the big mountain valleys. Salida could be up around 40 today, and at worst the wind will be up around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Overnight tonight, passing clouds up to our north, mainly associated with some warmer air, which is going to move over the mountains and help to boost our temperatures tomorrow. And then come Tuesday morning, we'll start to see areas of light snow develop. Notice that Skycast keeps much of this up around I-70, at least through the morning hours on Tuesday. There are indications that that will then slowly sag southward throughout the day, so that by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we'll probably have some snow around in southern Colorado too, and some real cold air, by the way, that's going to take our high temperatures down into the teens and 20s, as it looks like now, for Wednesday. So the snow with that sort of system wouldn't typically be heavy, but whatever falls will likely stick. And so I do think there's some potential for some impacts to the commutes, mainly Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning. We'll watch Tuesday morning, but as I just showed you, it looks like most of that will be up to our north at that time. But I mentioned those highs. Look at that, 16 on Wednesday, down to the old goose egg Wednesday night. And then Thursday looks pretty chilly too, but at least dry. Friday and Saturday, we'll get some wind come off the mountains. That should help to boost our temperatures back up to around 45 to 50 or so. The wind might make it feel a little bit less comfortable than the numbers would suggest, but if we get the wind, we should warm up that much. Well, low high temperatures today, right around 50-ish or so. We'll be in the upper 50s tomorrow. Then hit the 30s early Tuesday and expect late Tuesday into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Maybe some light snow. Highs on Wednesday only in the teens. Then we'll be down to about 2 for a low Wednesday night. So pretty chilly start to the day Thursday. And then some warming by Friday and Saturday with highs perhaps back in the 50s. We're going to have to count on some wind for that to happen, but it does look like that might be the case. Canyon City, mid-50s tomorrow, 30s on Tuesday, teens on Wednesday. Again, Tuesday morning, probably going to be okay on the roadways for you. Can't promise that the Tuesday night, Wednesday morning stuff is going to be quite as nice. Wouldn't expect a lot of snow, but as mentioned, this is some pretty chilly air, so any little bit that falls will stick and make for some icy roadways, and that's kind of what I'm figuring might happen for you. Overnight lows in the single digits for a couple of nights through the middle of the week, and then we start coming around by the end of the week. We're back up around 50. Mountain communities in the 30s today, probably 40s and breezy tomorrow. Clouds will be on the increase tomorrow afternoon. Snow is most likely to fall latter half of the day Tuesday into Tuesday night. Should be wrapping up by Wednesday morning. Highs on Tuesday around 20, Wednesday around 10, down below 0 Wednesday night. And again, kind of a dry, airy snow in this cold atmosphere. It's a type of storm that, and every storm is different obviously, but would generally produce a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 inch kind of snowfall. So again, we're not talking about shoveling huge amounts of snow. But with temperatures as chilly as they'll be, that'll be more than enough to make roads kind of messy if it works out that way. So we'll be tracking that real closely tomorrow and into Tuesday for you.
Good to know. So we'll have our shovels prepared, but not yet.
Yeah, maybe the brooms, but the problem will be the ice skating going on the roadways.
Oh, right. Thanks, Marty.
You're welcome.